Alright you guys, so as you can see, I'm doing another collab with my girl Samantha, and she did this beautiful neutral yet bold extra gorgeous look, and I did a very colorful bold look. If you guys want to see her tutorial, check down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. If you want to see how I created my look, please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is going with my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to use this as my primer today. I am not setting it because I want these shadows to really stick to the concealer, and I'm just going to go in with... Alright you guys, so the first color I'm going to be using is this purple shade from my Sugar Pill palette. I'm not sure if they still sell this quad. Well, not quad, it's not like the typical quad, but it's a palette with 4 eyeshadows in it, and I'm just going to use this purple to smoke out my transition area and my outer V area. Then I'm gonna go in with Iwo or Ewo. This is from the Emoji palette from OPV, and I'm just gonna add this into my crease and blend it in with the purple, and then just add in some more purple just so I can darken it up because I don't want my crease to be brown. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the Christine Lilian X Urban Decay Collab palette. This is a gorgeous palette, and I'm using TRM on my lid. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's super vibrant, and I love the buttery texture of this shadow. And I'm just applying that to my lid. Then I'm going to go back in with a bit of this purple into my crease and my outer V, and just blend it in and smoke it out a bit more. I'm going to go in with a makeup wipe just to clean up that area because I did get a bit of fallout. Then I'm going to go in with my NYC liquid liner and create my wing liner. You guys know I love wing liner, but you definitely don't have to do wing liner if you do not like it or you just can't do it, okay? But practice makes perfect, so if you want to do it, you know, practice, and eventually you will get it, okay? I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of concealer under my wing. Then I'm going to go in with this beautiful gold shade from the Christian and Urban Decay Collab palette and use this under my wing. It's a beautiful gold shade, but it also has kind of like a slight chromatic look to it, like a duochrome type of situation. So I really like it for under the wing, so when I move you can see 2 different colors. And then I'm gonna conceal under my eye and then go back in with TRM and a small detailer brush and apply this right underneath my lower lashes and pretty much smoke out my bottom lashes with this, and then bring it out and wing it out under that gold shade. It's called Stay Gold. It's a really pretty gold shade, not too yellow, not too bronzy. It's like really pretty with a very interesting duochrome finish. Now I'm going to go in with this black eyeliner pencil from Smashbox, and I'm just going to line my waterline. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a tad bit more of that gold, and here you can really see that duochrome color that I'm talking about. You see how it kind of looks almost like a neon green here? It's like a really interesting color. Now I'm going to go ahead, add some mascara to my lower lashes and to my top lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some falsies. And I'm using some stacked eyelashes. I believe these are the 615s from Salon Perfect and another pair. I can't remember the pair that I use, but I usually like stacking my lashes, especially if I'm not using mink lashes. I love to stack them to give me that mink look without the mink price. All right, so that is it for the eyes. I hope you guys like it. Super easy look to do, but with a lot of impact. So yeah. All right, so now we're gonna go on to the face once I'm done doing that. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and used some of this Pixie Rose oil on my skin, and I also used a Smashbox primer and moisturizer in one, and I was going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation, which matches really well, but this is what happens. You see, when you're a mom and you're tired, right, and you got a lot going on, you don't realize that you're about to pour your contour shade into Fenty Beauty and then apply the whole mixture all over your face, thinking, oh yeah, this is gonna be cute. Then you realize, something looks weird. But you just keep going, keep blending, even though your skin is super smooth because my PMD, my face peel, and then you're just looking, you're like, hold on, why do I look like America's current fearless leader? What, why, wait, hold on. Maybe the concealer is too light. I'm like, no, that's not it. My concealer is fine. Then you're like, hold on, wait, oh, gosh. That's when I realized I used my contour. So then I went in with my regular Fit Me foundation in, what was it, 340. So I'm like, okay, I'll fix it. And I'm just gonna keep blending it in, blending it in, blending it in. I'm like, wait, this still looks a tad bit too dark. And I was like, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. You know, I could work with this. I could work with this. But knowing me, I'm like, wait, I can't. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna see it in the pictures and then I'm just gonna trash this whole tutorial and start over because I know me. So then I go in with some of my LA Girl concealer, saves the day. So I just kind of added a bit of this all over and just kind of blended it in just to kind of take away that orangey look. Okay, so yeah. But skin is still smooth though. It's still smooth. I really love using my overnight peel from Queenii. I don't know if you guys have known about the company or have heard of them, but I post about them every now and then on Instagram. Love, love, love their overnight peel and my PMD, and my skin is like super smooth like butter. All right, now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer and just highlight under my eye area. I'm also going to highlight Cupid's bow, chin, bridge part of my nose, and forehead area. I'm pretty sure someone's like, oh my god, that's a lot of foundation on her face. And it might look like a lot of foundation because I applied so many different shades to get my shade right, but I promise you it's not heavy and I don't feel like I'm going to crack into a million pieces. I promise. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, blend that all out, and I'm using a synthetic contouring brush to do that. And just blend, 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 blend. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder. You can get this in Walmart. I'm just going to use the same brush to just set under my eye area. I'm going to put the most powder under there, but not too much. And then I'm going to add a very thin layer all over my face because I want this look to be more on the matte side. Even though the foundation formula is matte, I just want it extra matte. There's nothing wrong with extra matte. If you want more of a dewy look, you definitely can skip the powder or just put a very light amount. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Pro powder in the shade Cocoa, and this is an e.l.f. brush. I believe this is a blush brush, and I'm just going to use this to do my contour. And then my baby came in to check me out, and then he left, so I finished my contour. Okay, and just to kind of warm up the skin again. And for those of you that do not know, I do have a skin condition. Right now, we're in a good place. I do not talk about it anymore because it's honestly stressful, and stress brings it on. So yeah. But anyways, I have like 4 to 5, maybe 6 different colors on my body. So I just go with whatever foundation I feel looks best for me, what I like. Alright, so anywho, that was the Christine, Leanne, and e.l.f. blush that I just used. That's a Christine Leanne Highlight Trio from her Urban Decay collab. And I'm just going to use that on the bridge part of my nose, my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and all that good stuff. And I really like it. It's not too bad. It's brown girl friendly. Maybe if there was like a deeper bronze, you know, that would have been nice too. But I'm not going to complain. Now I'm going to go in with this gorgeous liquid lipstick from Smashbox. I believe this one is called Make It Rain. It's a really beautiful metallic purple shade, not too bright of a purple and not too dark of a purple. It's really a nice in-between purple, and it's metallic but not too shiny where it looks tacky. So I'm just gonna go ahead, do some magic, fix this hair. I just put some light waves in it. I didn't want it to look too structured, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. Comment, let me know what you think about the look. Make sure you check out my girl Samantha. And yeah, we'll see you both very soon in other tutorials and videos. Love you guys. Bye.